Does anyone think there's still not a reasonable doubt?
I think he is guilty.
Does anyone else? You're alone.
I don't care whether I'm alone or not. It's my right.
It's your right.
Well, I told you I think the kid's guilty. What else do you want?
Your arguments. We're not convinced. We're waiting to hear them again. We have as much time as it takes.
Everything. Every single thing that took place in that courtroom, but I mean everything, says he's guilty. What do you think, I'm an idiot or something? Why don't you take that stuff about the old man? The old man that lived there and heard everything. Or the business about the knife. For what cause he found another one exactly like it? The old man saw him right there on the stairs. What's the difference how many seconds it was? Every single thing. The knife falling through a hole in his pocket. You can't prove it and get to the door. Sure, you can take all the time, huddle around the room, but you can't prove it. And what about the business of the L and the movies? There's a phony deal if I ever found one. I bet you $5,000 I would remember the movies I saw. I'm telling you, everything that's going on here has been twisted and turned. This business with the glasses. How do you know she doesn't wear them on? This woman testified in open court. And what about hearing the kid yell? Huh? I'm telling you, I have all the facts here. Alright, that's the whole case. Say something. Well, you're not going to intimidate me. I'm entitled to my own opinions. You rotten jurors work your life out. It's gonna be a hung jury. That's it.